How to enhance your AI images with Freepik. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enhance your AI images with Freepik. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First is you'll need to be ready with your web browser. After you're there, all you have to do is search for Freepik image upscaler. After you search for AI image upscaler, head over to this Freepik's website. Then after you're here, you can then try upscaler from here. Tap on try upscaler. As you can see what it does, it brings out the details and rich texture in images with AI. With classic and magnific models, you can upscale up to 16% clarity. So tap on try upscaler and it should take you to the AI suite. Now, you'll have to update, you'll have to upload your image from here. So let me drag it and drop it. Let's say this is the image that I want to upscale. You can choose a model. I'll just select classic. Then you can choose the resolution. So you can do up to 2K and 4K, which is only available for imagination. So you can choose image style as well. So let's say I want to do it portrait, and you can describe your image for better results. So here you will need to tap on upscale and then your image will get upscaled. And as you can see, it will require the upgraded version. So you can get a plan and then do it. And there you can see the difference from here as well. And that's basically it, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.